An Eastside church is looking for answers after someone stole their HVAC system from their property. Tonight, I spoke with a pastor who says this crime hit the church in a way they were not expecting.
It was during the early morning on Monday, somewhere we have estimated between 2 a.m., 5 a.m. Individual came in, dismantled our 3 units, which were caged in. Nevertheless, they got into it and degutted the whole system.
Caught in the act on surveillance footage at God's Grace Community Church on East 30th Street.
I just couldn't believe it, that someone would have the nerve to attack a church in this way with vandalism. We see it happen before. It's not the first church that has happened to before. We just shocked that still people would do that.
Pastor Stephen Thompson says the church is preparing for a conference at the end of the week, along with a daily operating daycare. But the hefty cost attached to replacing the system, he's not sure how to fix this in time.
We have bids anywhere from $23,000 to $30,000 to replace all 3 units, which is a hefty cost. I don't care who it is, that's a lot to have to turn around and repay to buy new units.
Thompson posted this video to social media, hoping folks could help police track down this person. But in the meantime, he's hoping to get this problem fixed and get back to business.
We're not going to allow this to deter us from moving forward to handle the things of God. They need to turn themselves in, recognize what it is they have done.
Now, Pastor Thompson says they are working with their insurance company. Again, if you recognize a person, you are asked to contact police.